Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. Today again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude of the section. So this year round, if we talk about this the QA section in general, this year the papers seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that we have seen asked this year round. They were difficult as compared to the previous year's question, and also this year the time taken to solve this question were more. That is, the question were more calculation intensive. So what we're going to be doing in this particular video is that we'll take a look at these questions and also try and identify the right kind of approach needed towards solving the same. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. In a bulb factory, there is an efficiency of 85%. Out of the defective bulb, the company manages to recycle 50% of the bulb. The recycling is done on a monthly basis. Okay. In the 9 months period, the company exports 15525 bulbs, which is the 3/4% of the total production of those 9 months. So, what are the number of bulbs that go to waste in a year? Okay, now let's try and understand one thing. Okay, so the company actually exports. We'll start off with this particular point. So, company exports 15525 in 9 months. Okay, so which is actually 75% of the total production. That is, say I'm assuming those 9 each month production equal to x. So therefore 9-month production will be 9x. So the 75%, that is 3/4 of 9x, will simply be 15525. Okay, now let's do one thing. 5 j 15, 1 j 3, 21, 7, 5. Okay, and now if I try to cancel this thing out, it comes out to be 9 59 6 j 54, no, 9 5 j 45, we have 57 here, again 9 6 j 54, 75. So therefore we can have x, or each month production will be 4, that would come out to be around, okay, each one production comes out to be around 2300 bulbs. Okay, 2300 bulbs. So this is each month's production. Now what else is given? Therefore it's given that recycling, so in a company 85%, so only 85% of this are what we need to find, we go to waste. Okay, so 85% of this are all right. So 85% of x are okay, all right, and of the 15% left, half is recycled. Okay, that is 7.5% goes to waste. Okay, so therefore in 1 month wasted bulbs will be simply 7.5 by 100 into 2300, gets cancelled out. So this would come out to be, say, 23 into 5, that would be 345 by 2. So therefore in 1 year wasted bulbs will be 345 by 2 into 12. So that would be 2070 bulbs. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So in case you are having any kind of doubt with respect to the way we solve this question, feel free to connect with us on this line. So we have gone in details to a great extent to explain the same. In case you are having doubt, go through the video multiple times and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own, just to get a general idea on how to go about solving this kind of question. This is a very interesting question just by the concept of it, by the sound of it. It's a very interesting question, so it should be a very good chance for you. Go practice the same. Okay, having said that, if in case you're looking to get the entire detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description of video where you'll find a bunch of details like a website URL or email ID or numbers. Feel free to connect with us. Any doubt you might have regarding exam preparation or subject or concept wise doubt, we'll be more than happy to help you out. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So hopefully you'll get in touch with us. So one more time, any doubt you have, any doubt pertaining to your doubt regarding a subject or concepts, or even if you are looking for a completely detailed solution of the entire paper, say you're looking for detailed solution of the VRC, the QA section, the LRD or the GI section as well. So feel free to connect with us. Any doubt regarding exam strategies, exam preparation methods, or anything on those lines, we'll be more than happy to help you out with those as well. Okay, so having said that, I'd like to wind up this video. We'll be continuing our discussion on the similar sort of questions in the subsequent video, wherein we'll try and cover a bit more questions of the varied variety of topics, topics from multiple sections of the course. Okay, so having said that, I'm signing out. So thank you so much.